It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Right, next stop, Cannonball Curve. Well done! Left leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. This is your toy collection. Right leads to forward leads to the Sodor's. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so close. Let's try again. That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Excellent! Wow! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Right leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Cool! Super duper! Good job! Amazing! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! Super cool! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's perfect! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Well done! Just slice or tap it to open.